What we doing right now, I'm taking the bottom screw out, the bottom nut out so I can pull this from the top. So basically what was happening is this kept running. It just, the bowl kept running all the time. And I figured this the culprit right here, but we'll see what happens when I pull it out. Alright, so this is what I gotta get. And pretty much, make sure you put a towel or put the mop or something under the floor so you can catch most of the water. And once you pull that up, that water gonna come out anyway. So make sure you put a mop or something under there, a bucket, so we can catch it. There shouldn't be that much water coming out. This is an old piece here. So this piece is old. So the new piece I'm gonna put in, you're not gonna need this anymore. So you're gonna eliminate this whatever this big float is. So I'm gonna look up this part to see, but you can see right here, it's a bunch of old corrosion and pretty much everything there that need to come off. But I'm gonna need this, so make sure y'all take this off right here. Figure out how to get it. Alright, so make sure you keep that, put that to the side. Alright, so that's pretty much about it. But I'm gonna have to get another hose down here. Alright, so that's pretty much what it's looking like. You can do most of this stuff yourself. Alright, so this is old. And make sure when you put the new one in, you put the washer back down there too. That's nasty down there. It's like I said, we're gonna get that out too. I have to new one of those also. So it's pretty much taking everything apart. Put it right in the tub. So this is nasty. I really don't want to touch that, but let me get a bag so I can dump that in a bag. Alright, so pretty much when I got a bag here, so we can dump that in the bag and get that out the way. That's nasty. This cable here, I bet you that might just pop off pulling it like that. Alright, let's get this off real quick. This is nasty. Alright, so yeah, that's terrible. This been on here since I've been living here, so I don't even want to touch that shit. Excuse my language. Put everything to the side. So it's pretty much about it. Now all I have to do is put the new flap on and everything while I'm at it. So appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe button. Let's get this new one on. See, the new one is here. All right, so, and it already come with a chain. So we're gonna take that out the pack, put that on right now. So if you're gonna go ahead and do it, you might want to do anything new. All right, so we're gonna put that in there. So that's gonna be simple to get up in there. Hope the chain is long enough. I'm hoping that it is. It should be anyway. So all you gotta just take this, put this in here inside the sink. I want y'all to see what I'm doing. Put it right up on the little hooks or tabs over they got. Just put it on top of there. And that's it really. And that's that. Then it's gonna go up and down like so. So that's the new one. All right. So that's your new one right there. Whew. So with this, I want to size this up with the one that I took off. So I want to make sure everything is measured right. So this is the new one right here. All right. So and see, you got the rubber there. Make sure it comes with that. That'll keep the water from going outside the bowl. That should be the right height. So this right here will allow you to, the height wise. All right. So it tells you right there what height it need to be, but it's already the same size as that one. So all you're gonna do with this now is just drop this in a tank here. Drop that right there. Make sure it fits enough. I might have to adjust this later as far as the height. I know when the water goes up, you know, as far as the water goes up, but it should be all right. So. Plus, came with a tube, and it's supposed to be something else that I'm missing. But like I said, with this piece, I'm trying to find the package that it came with. All right. So everything is here. The little hardware that it comes with. This little package here. It got the thing for the bottom of the toilet. All right. So I'm gonna take that out. But like I said, make sure you grab this piece here. The piece in my hand. Go back up under the tube right here, like so. So what you're gonna need to do is take this, that nipple right there, put this over the nipple. All right. So once you get that over the nipple, this piece right here, you have to stay on top of this. All right. So I'm gonna turn it around real quick. It goes here. That's it. That goes like that. So what I'm gonna need to do is open this up. I might have to leave out of here and run to Walmart, or no, Walmart or Lowe's or Home Depot. So this right here gotta get tightened up from the bottom. So I gotta tighten this up from the bottom. Most of the stuff you can do yourself. Like right about now, you want to save some money. You go on YouTube, watch most of this stuff being done. All right, so you can do all this yourself. Most of it don't really take no screws. You just applying it and tighten everything up that you need to tighten. Other than that, that's it really. Tighten down as tight as you can get it. You don't want to over tighten it, but that's being tight with my hand. All right, so that ain't gonna go nowhere. And what else I have to do? I think that's about it. No. We gotta apply this. So I also bought one of these too. All right, Fluidmaster. So we're gonna put the new handle on while we doing this. Pretty much quick. But I'm definitely gonna have to end the video because I gotta go get that new line. The new line is leaking. I'll show you in a minute once I get this on right here. So I apply this. Get this from the same spot. Fluidmaster. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Come with instructions on the back. Like I said, this is my first time doing all of this. But if you're trying to save some money, you don't feel like having a plumber come to your house, you can also do this. It's up to you how y'all want to do it. So we got little clips right here where I guess I'll take this off. See how the back work. Force it. There you go. So pretty much all you're gonna do here is, I guess it goes like this. No. It goes like that. All right, this piece here, you're gonna have to take this off. This square piece right here goes into the little hole. That's what it's supposed to be like that. It look crazy though. I guess it goes like that. Then you're gonna just take this. Make sure y'all can see what I'm doing. Y'all can see what I'm doing. You're gonna take this piece, tighten this up on here. All right, so you're gonna tighten that up. All right, that's that. So you're gonna take this. They go in, but see what we're gonna do. It's a universal. I guess there's got to be a way where I can turn this. All right, so I guess you turn it this way. Let's see how we do this. How we turn this thing. turn this so we can have it go straight. See, it goes in like this, but I need this to go here. See what I'm saying? So let me figure this out. See how we can turn this. See, it's my first time doing it, so let me figure this out. It said rotate with force. There you go. You just gotta rotate it with force. That should be it right there. Okay. I got a little back this way. Alright, so I guess, boom, you just clip it on. And that's it. So I guess that's how that works. So now we just need it to open the flap. Like so. Alright, so this goes on here. And it's closed. So I guess when you want to open it, bam, let it go. Bam, let it go. So I guess once it's up, that's pretty much about it. You know. Alright, so that's it right there. The job is done. But before I add the water to it, I gotta run the Lowe's and grab me. I gotta go Lowe's and grab a I don't know what this little nipple here for. I gotta go Lowe's and grab a hose. So I'm gonna show you the hose I gotta grab real quick. We're gonna take this off the bottom before I get up out of here. Because this hose is leaking. Because it's old. So we're gonna take it off and put some, yeah, it's loose. So we'll buy a new one today. He said, you know. Alright, so that's the hose. Yeah, it look nasty. Hey, it's part of the video, but alright, this is a 3/8, 7/8. Alright, so it's a 7/8 toilet with a 3/8 compression. Okay, so we're gonna clean that up, take with me to Lowe's, and hopefully I can get a new one of these. Alright, so it's pretty much what it look like. I know it look nasty, but it is what it is. Alright, and you got an O-ring in there, so let's go get a new one. Gotta go get a new one today though. So I'll be right back at y'all. Thanks for watching. We be back. I gotta install this hose so I can turn it on, let y'all see the water flow so we can see everything work out. All right, so pretty much about it. So let's get out of here. I'll be right back. All right, right back at you. I had to go replace this on there. This is the hose that came off the bottom. All right, this one came off the bottom. It's leaking in here. So we went and got a new one for Lowe's. I paid about a couple dollars for this, not that much. About $5 for the threaded, metal braided one. So we're gonna put this on. So make sure when you go to Lowe's, you see right here, it says 3/8 is the thickness of the hose, right? No. Make sure you take it with you. 3/8 is here. All right. So this bottom piece, hold up. This bottom piece right here, this is 3/8. This top piece, what you see right here, is 7/8. So that's why I'm glad they left the tag on it. So it'll tell you what kind of hose you need. That's what I'm gonna do with this one. All right, it's a little longer, 12 inches, but this one right here, 7/8. This is 3/8. And you see right there on the tag, we're gonna leave it on there for whoever change it later on in life. They know exactly what hose to get. So let's just get back on real quick so we can get this water in here. All right, so the bottom one, before we do it, I want to get it with some Teflon. Shut up. Alright, YouTube, so to do this job, to get this on, you're gonna need a 16mm wrench. Alright, so you definitely need a 16mm wrench to do the job, to get it on the bottom. And when you do it, make sure you get yourself some thread tight, alright, liquid. You can get the other one, but I like this one better. I use it for everything, especially for my tractor. Alright, so we're gonna paint this on the bottom and the top to get it both on. What I'm doing right here. Just gotta tighten it up with my hand. So you see what I painted the liquid on. Alright, so tighten it up with your hand. Gotta be all of that, but just make sure you get it tight enough. Alright, so tighten this one on the bottom. Like I said, with that one, we need a 16mm. So we got a 16 here. All right, so I think the line is a little too big because the line came off was big, was longer. So I should have got a shorter one, but I thought that was the line it came with, but it is what it is. All right. So to keep it out the way, we'll lean it right there against the wall. So like I said, try not to over tighten it, but there you go. Then the one on top, that's about. Get that back in there. Let me finish up down here so I can tighten this up. Make sure we get everything together here. That's it. Let's give it water. See what happens. See if it fills up. Let's see if it works. It works. Keep that tool right here. Gotta keep it like more on this side, lean against the wall. That's it. Once it fill up, it cuts it right off. Try one more time. This is the water tank here. I guess as far as you go up, this is the water tank. Let me see if I can get it raised a little more. Yeah, this is how you adjust it. This is how you adjust it here. Keep going. We're going to get it to the water line right here. So we're going to need to get to that water line. There you go. Now we at the water line. Then, open the handle. I might have to adjust this a little more to get the handle to go a little more down. This might hit the lid of the top. Might hit the lid. It might not. But I'm thinking it is. Now there's a problem having also on the bottom here. This is leaking. Hope you can tighten it up a little bit. I'm going to have to put something down there to catch the water because it's definitely dripping. See, that's it. She ain't dripping no more. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's how you repair the water tank. This is pretty much the water tank tube here. The new handle, new flap. That's what we did, all right? So this is the toilet water tank level. So I replaced the toilet water tank level. I replaced the universal. This is on the bottom is a universal rubber flap. So we replaced that and we replaced this handle. So the water tank level handle here. What else? And it's the toilet fill valve. So this is the toilet. Let me do it over. So what happened today is the toilet fill valve got replaced. The toilet water tank level got replaced. And the toilet rubber flap on the bottom got replaced. So everything was done today. And plus we replaced the hose that goes from the bottom of the wall to the bottom of the toilet. So everything got replaced today. So that's a good thing. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. This is your boy DIY Trucker Jay Quillo Talk Live, and hey, we do it all over here. We definitely do it all. I'll put everything in the description what I use, and you will see later. So make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy DIY Trucker Jay Quillo Talk Live, and hey, stay tuned for more content we done right here.